broken currently. So what I do when my guitar breaks, I turn to the world of 80s synthesizer. He's working on my sound. Oh John, you are down on the ground. But he is working on my sound. And there's good things coming down. Yeah, well there's good things coming now. As soon as we work out this sound, I promise good things coming now. No, the world is not going to end. I promise you, Sir Isaac Newton was a turd. Okay, so he saw an apple fall to the ground. Like, how smart do you have to be to know that's gravity? How smart do you have to be? The sound. Now John's just checking around. I have no effects. I'm just me and my guitar. 6 strings. Just got 6 strings. Nick's only got 4. Alright, I think the song now must resume.